Hey guys, I see you are ready for our next tutorial. In this chapter, I will show you how to make use of a green screen so that you can create videos like these ones here.
Hagamos juntos este efecto de transición de segunda pantalla en tu celular para todos tus videos.
Might sound like you need to be a professional with special equipment, but that's absolutely not the case. It is super easy and it will allow you to create so many cool videos. Once you know how to use this tool called Chroma key, you will be able to use it in many different ways. You can use it with a phone, like we saw in the examples that I initially showed you. You can use it with a frame, with a photo album like our student Katie did, with a clothing piece like this example here, or you can even use it to create a super cool pregnancy video like this one from Leah and Caitlin, or take a look at this funny one from Katerina. The options are once again endless, so let's look at how you can do it. Now, as I told you at the beginning, we are going to make use of a so-called green screen, which is basically a green part in your video, which will allow you to place any visual effects and videos later in the editing phase. Now, you can do this process with any color really, but green is the most common one because it's the furthest color from any skin tone. That way you avoid cancelling out the wrong parts in your final video. In general, I would suggest that you use a color that stands out a lot from the rest of your video. So let's say you are shooting in a forest where there is already a lot of green. Then of course you might want to use another color like a strong pink or a strong red. For our examples, however, we will use the green color. So the first thing you need to do is create this green background. If you are using a device like Katerina did for this example here, you can simply use a green picture that you find online. Just Google green background and you will get one. We will also leave the one she used in the folder with all the test material, but you can really use any green image you want. Next, you need to film your two shots. If you want to create a reel where your phone shows kind of the background of your surroundings, like in the example here, then you will need two shots at the exact same placement. If you want to show something else, like another destination, let's say, you can also do that. Since we are doing it with the same background, you need to make sure that you set up your phone or your camera so that the frame is static. Ideally, you already know, with a tripod. Next, shoot your video of your background. Once you are done, take your prop, in our case the phone, and move it around while having the green picture on display. Then it's already time to start editing. Go to CapCut and upload both of your videos. The one without the phone as the main track, then click Overlay and add the one with the phone. While you are on the overlay, select Chroma key, and with the picker tool that comes up, you select the green screen of your phone. Now you need to adjust the intensity and you will see your background video appear inside your phone. And that's it already. It's that easy. Of course, you don't always need to use a green picture. You can also use something physical. For example, for the tutorial that Katie did, as you can see in this example here, she used a green sticky note. For the pregnancy video of Leah and Caitlin, as well as the cream one from Katerina, they use green color, and for the clothing transition, she used a very bright pink top. What matters is that whichever part you want to replace, it needs to be in a color that stands out from the rest of your video so that you can easily remove it. Now, in the next chapter, we will show you another super cool way to use this technique. It's the same steps, but since the transition is a tiny bit more tricky, we decided to create a separate chapter for it. I will see you there.